Start it. Start it. Get it running.
I hear it. I hear it.
That's Indiana music to those ears, right? What do we got there? Did it register? There you go. Testament to redneck engineering right here. There we go. All right, we got it up there. Starts like a Honda. Purrs like a Honda. How much milk does it drink?
Just a cup.
Just a cup a day. Cup a day.
I can never see it drinking. It won't let me watch.
All right. All right. We've got that down. Are those steel?
About 11,000 RPM.
All right, now you've heard one, right? I'm always amazed that experts like Pat Jones will come out here and float the valves for a $20 trophy. You know, like that. Just, you know, that is real commitment to the trade, right? We eat it up. We love that stuff.
Maximum 124, average 116.7.
Wow. That's purring loud. That's purring loud. Remember, there's beauty in it, too.
What happened to her? I don't know.
Mike Keys, Knoxville, Tennessee, 84 RZ 350.
All right.
That's what it sounds like.
Tennessee's are in the house.
I don't know what happened. Electric start's not working.
All right. What do we have there?
1076 and an average of 96.3.
All right. The tower says 1076. Next. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right.
Don Himes, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 1975 RD 350.
All right. It looks a little bit competition. Just a little bit.
Maximum 110.9, average 101.
All right. 110.9, average 101. Oh. God, you know, some people bring bikes to a show, but this guy wants a whole class for them.
2 strokes. It's all about the 2 strokes. Donheim Sport Idle, Florida. 75 RD350.
All right. Just want to make a commercial here. If you have any problems with Yamahas, just see this man. Just see this man. He had to work to get these things to start, so that's the first effort. Give it up. All right, very modest.
Sweet.
It's all the looks.
107.3 maximum, average 97.5.
All right. Last but not least, we've got another Yamaha here. And this is
Mike Keys from Knoxville, another 75 RD350.
all right, Mike.